Hankook's Dynapro HT2 raises the bar for highway terrain tires. The tire is the perfect option for SUV and light truck drivers looking for year-round performance. Hankook's Dynapro HT2 doesn't just meet those expectations, it takes them even further with enhanced technology, improved safety features, and longer-lasting treadwear for SUV and light truck drivers. Hankook backs this tire with an impressive 70,000-mile limited treadwear warranty for P metric sizes and a 50,000-mile warranty for LT metric sizes. Compared to its predecessor, the original Dynapro HT, the HT2 lasts up to 13% longer, thanks to both compound and design updates. So let's talk about those updates. Hankook engineers optimize the pattern stiffness of these tires, in turn enhancing block stiffness that prevents uneven wear across the tread. This creates more consistent contact with the road, helping to ensure that the tire wears more evenly over time. The tire also features Hankook's proprietary flat, square profile technology meant to enhance wear performance across the tread. This, along with Hankook's mileage-enhancing compounding in the tire, helps to evenly distribute pressure to a wider contact patch, ensuring even wear and greater mileage. This focus on compounds and technology not only extends tread life, but also contributes to better handling and ride comfort. That's something drivers really notice about the Dynapro HT2. These tires simply perform better, especially in difficult driving situations. The HT2 features a boosted sipe count compared to the previous model, adding more edges to enhance grip and control on snowy roads. Thanks to this, snow braking performance improved by 9%, snow handling by 7%, and snow acceleration by 6% compared to the predecessor. Wet road performance got a boost too. Thanks to the hydrophilic compounds and an optimized main groove design, the HT2 evacuates water effectively and maintains traction in rainy conditions. Hankook's internal testing showed a 6% improvement in wet braking and a 7% improvement in wet handling compared to the previous model. Performance features in all types of weather conditions are great, but today's drivers expect more comfort from their tires as well. With a noise-reducing tread pattern and optimized multi-pitch sequencing, Hankook engineered the Dynapro HT2 to deliver a quieter, smoother ride. These comfort features reduce road noise by 2 decibels compared to its predecessor. That might not sound like much, but on longer trips at highway speeds, trust me, you'll appreciate all the quiet you can get. The tire also features these closed-end lateral grooves that counteract noise generated by the tread main grooves. If you're looking for a highway terrain tire that provides year-round safety, control, and comfort, Hankook's Dynapro HT2 is the way to go. The Dynapro HT2 is available now in 55 sizes from 15 to 22 inches, catering exclusively to the SUV and light truck segments.